Disney Springs. We are going to watch Maleficent and see if we can find any cool Maleficent merchandise and goodies within Disney Springs. Let's go check it out.
The second time I've been down here early in the morning and the fire alarms have gone off, but this time it's the entire side, not just World of Disney.
Hello. Hi. How are you guys? Welcoming all the Maleficent.
Yeah.
Anything for the Evil Queen?
For the Evil Queen?
And that was an LA artist that did that one. Back artist.
That did the...
Philadelphia shirt.
Oh.
The design for it. So
yeah.
Because he came in our store and he was like, yeah, they chose me to like do it.
That's really neat.
That was nice. And then just a cool fun fact too I learned about the bag is that they actually did a 3D, I don't know what you call it, but a 3D scan or something of her wings, her actual wings, and that's where this whole design came from. So that's pretty cool.
And I've seen that on a lot of the marketing. They had that on Disney Springs on that big poster you could take a picture with. That's really cool.
The cool thing I think is that maybe 2 or 3 days ago, Angelina Jolie came out with a whole article on how she like requested that these certain products from Russian Red to be picked. So I don't know, I guess there's a cool article out there. I just kept hearing like little fun facts. So I'm like,
Got some fun merch at World of Disney for Maleficent. This is really cool, hon. I actually picture you wearing something like this.
$24.99.
Nothing on the back. And these are beautiful if you're a collector.
Holy cow.
Yeah, those are prosthetics.
She's beautiful.
And the Elle Fanning one, that dress is stunning.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, Aurora. Elle Fanning is the actress. $59.99. I mean, considering though you're getting 2, and those definitely look like collectibles, not maybe play dolls, I don't think that's bad. Oh yeah, it kind of gives you some information on it.
In different languages. Aurora and Malefic.
Let's go look. I thought that was a little more green.
Yeah, very green. Definitely the Angelina Jolie Maleficent is.
Some people, you know,
Alright, so we're at, I always say it wrong, Vivoli. Anyway, I got the Orange Fairy. It was $15. It has a black gelato ice cream with a waffle cone, a donut, and it looks like an eclair, but it is large and in charge. Abel's gonna have to help me eat this and drink it. It looks really good. So.
What do you think?
Good. I'm gonna leave my tongue black. I've had that black ice cream before here. It's just like a vanilla ice cream. Alright guys, that was our time at Disney Springs. I loved the Maleficent movie. And, I definitely recommend seeing it. Also, if you planned on getting the Orange Fairy from the gelato shop, definitely bring somebody to eat it with, because even between the 2 of us we couldn't finish it. But if you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.